up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this really fresh summertime sunshine look. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. So if you didn't see my vlog, which I will link for you because you should just go watch it, I did get it's my Ray Ray palette. I also purchased the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, the ABH Cosmetics Gilded palette, and as a free gift, I got the ABH Cosmetics Blushed Neutrals palette. There's a color in this ABH Cosmetics Gilded palette that I just really love, and it's this like orangey yellow tone, so I think I'm going to start out with that. So yeah, I'm just going to take this yellow shade and put that in my crease. And I'm just going to build it until I get the color that I'm looking for. I originally saw Alyssa Ashley use this palette and she used this color and I was like, oh my god, this color is awesome. And it has, like, this palette has a wide variety of shades, so I think it's a pretty good palette. And it looks like when I was on the website, it looks like they have a few different versions of this. I can't remember the names, so I'm not even gonna try. But this one is the Gilded one. I'm feeling it very summery, as you can tell with my choker that I got from Forever 21. I'm just like, it's so cute! And I don't have any chokers because I used to like not be a fan of like things on my neck, but I just think they're adorable. So, and I think it was like $1.90 or something like that because they were also having a huge Memorial Day sale. So I was just shopping like crazy, which I mean is good for me, but probably not so good for my bank account, but whatever. Let's see, I'm going to use this shade right here. So I'm just going to go into the crease with this color. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. So far I'm liking how this is turning out. I like that since I put this pinky shade on top of that like mustard yellow, I kind of get a little bit of orange. I think that looks pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm going to use the shade Sunset from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to put that on my lid. This color is really pretty, really pretty. It looks like, so I'm just going to go back in with the brush that we used to blend all those other two crease colors. Ooh, so far I really like this. I think I'm gonna go back in with that mustard shade because I feel like it's lost. I don't know if it's just not showing up very well on my skin or what, but I feel like it just kind of went like by. Like, I don't know what happened to it, but I want it back because I really like this color. So I'm going to layer it on until it stays. There we go. Yeah, I really like this. This is pretty. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go back in with this deeper rose shade that we used to deepen the crease, and I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line on the outer corner. Right, and then I'm just going to put that mustard color in the inner corner of my eye, on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to blend that into that deeper rose color. Yes! Oh my gosh, I love this. I love when that mustard and the pink mix together and make this really nice orange color. I think it looks freaking awesome. Yes! Now I'm going to move on to mascara, and I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to put that on my top and bottom lashes. I'm gonna use this Milani blush, and this is in the shade Rose d'Oro. I'm having trouble opening things lately. And I'm just going to put a little bit of color back into my cheeks. I'm adding just a little bit more blush than I normally would because this does have some gold reflect in it, and it's kind of acting as like a blush duo highlight type of thing, and I'm here for it. I really like this rosy cheek. It's cute. Now for bronzer, I'm taking the bronzer that I use in every single video. This is the Sephora bronzer, and it's in the shade Dark. This is one thing I don't know. Is it dark or is it Canary Islands? I have no idea, but it's a freaking amazing bronzer and I love it. So I'm just going to take a big brush and bronze my face. Oh, smells so good too. Now I'm going to highlight my face using the Maybelline Master Comb Highlight, and this is in the shade Molten Gold. So using whatever highlight is left, I'm just going to pop that underneath my brow. I'm contemplating whether or not I want to put anything in my inner tear duct. I really want to. I think I'm going to. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of that highlighter and pop that into my inner corner just to make the eyes pop just a little bit more. It would help if I actually got the product on the brush right. Now for lips, I'm going to use this Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade Bahama Beige. And it's just a really pretty satin nude lip, and I think it's going to complement the look really well. I mean, it's pretty, it's just a little bit on the sheer side. I think what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of the shade Quickie, and this is from the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop collab collection. And I'm just gonna add that because I know this is a little bit more full coverage than this Milani lipstick, and I don't want my lips to shine through. I do want it to be a little bit more full coverage. Yeah, that looks better. Yes, that's what I was going for. So that is definitely more so what I was going for. I do like the lip color from Milani. I just feel like it's a little sheer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm almost out. I need another one. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It would really, really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.